Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to teach you guys how to make a working wins leaderboard in Roblox Studio with saved data. Let's get right into it. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to come over here to server script service and you're going to add a new script. We will then rename the script to leader stats, all lowercase. We will delete this and then we're going to write under here local players equal sign game colon get service players. Don't forget guys, capital letters are very important or this won't work. So do it exactly as I'm doing it. Local data. Yeah, let's do it as it is here. So local data store service equals game colon get service date colon and then speech marks data store service. Okay. New line, local win store, local win store, oh, my bad, local win store equals data store service colon get data store brackets and speech marks. You're gonna write wins. That's it. Then players dot player added connect function player, and then you're going to just delete one of these. Okay, so now once you guys have got this, make sure that's capital P, yeah, new line, local leader stats equals in instance dot new, and then brackets speech marks, you're gonna write folder, then you're gonna do leader stats dot name and just in speech marks leader stats, no brackets on this one. Then you're gonna do leader stats dot parent equal sign player. Then you're gonna do local wins equals instance dot new. Then you're gonna do bracket speech marks int value, then you're gonna do wins dot name, wait, capital N equals, and then brackets, speech marks, capital W wins. Once you've done that, you're gonna go underneath, next line, wins dot parent equals leaders stats, and then just like that. Then you're gonna do local success data equal sign space pcall function Then you're gonna do we gotta delete one of these. I don't know what's going on here. Okay, wait, hold up. Okay, that's right. Okay, yeah, so pcall and then function with double brackets at the end, and then don't forget this brackets are important too. Then you're gonna do, oh my god, why is this here? Then you're gonna do return win store so small s and big S, and then colon get a sync, then brackets player, Roblox, let me dirty there, player dot user ID and so we're just gonna crop this down like this, just tidy this up a little bit more. Okay, and then we're gonna do, so what this does is where is it? I've done it. This is basically so it knows the player and their user ID, like that's stored in so like it knows like which player has how many wins. This is more of like a Roblox thing in their database, because every player has like their own user, but you can't really see like an ID. Anyway, next is, so once you guys got done, you guys are gonna do if success and data, then is that right? Yeah. Then wins dot value equals data. Just data, small d. Oh, that sounds wrong. Okay. Oh my god, why is it not working? Data else wins dot value equals 0, and then end success. There's something wrong with this, I think. Else wins equals 0, and it's not doing it for me at the end. We'll just leave it as it is, and I think that should be fine, because there's meant to be an end as well after the end with a bracket at the end, but players dot player removing connect. That's just as it is already here. I'm gonna write down manually so it's easier. So before Roblox messes me up again. Function player function player. No. This is being really annoying. Local wins equals player dot leader stats dot wins dot value. Then if we're gonna come back to the pcall function, pcall function. Yeah, like that. And then once you guys have got that, you're gonna come down and write wins store like earlier. Don't forget both s's, little s and big S. And then you're gonna do set async, not get async. You're gonna do set. Actually very important because a lot of times it'll say get instead of set. Then in brackets you're gonna write player dot user ID and wins. Don't forget the capital on user ID. Then you're gonna do game bind to capital for the start of each word, bind to close. Then you're gonna do the function again. Right now we're working on the part, so basically what's gonna happen is every time you leave the game. So basically what happens every time you leave the game. My bad, I dropped my mic. So like it's gonna save your data, because without this part, every time you leave the game, you're gonna lose all of your data and your wins are gonna go back to 0. This is actually what's going to save your wins, so you keep them every time you rejoin the game. Close function. Then you're gonna do for underscore comma. Don't forget the underscore, very important, the underscore and the comma. Player in pairs. Like I know something might be hard to see, but it is important. Players dot get players dot get players. Nope, my bad, I did it wrong. Players, and then yeah, like that. And with the free brackets, don't forget the other one, and do. And then if you're gonna do pcall function, then you're gonna do wins store set async player dot user ID comma player. That's a comma, by the way, not a full. So this is a full stop first and it's a comma. Then you're gonna do lowercase player dot leader stats to connect the player to the leader stats, then wins dot value. So that's the end of the script. Wait. Value. Okay, so now if you actually join the game, this is like a little thing I just made for this video to get an idea. You will see, okay, so this actually didn't work. So what we're going to do is we are going to come back here and find out what the issue is. Okay, so I fixed the issue. Turns out all I had was I forgot to put a C there, but now that I added the C back, it's working. I also removed the S, the little S after wins from win store. It's actually just win store, not plural. But yeah, so that should fix it. And now I think it should be working fine. So if we join back here, as you can tell, wins is actually working now. So yeah, that works